guys, welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor. My name is Nikita and today's recipe is Avarekalu Saaru. Avarekalu is a kind of beans which you get in the southern part of India during winter seasons. And this Avarekalu Saaru is a famous specialty in Bangalore. If you're not natively from Bangalore, then I would definitely suggest you guys to try out this variety. And do let me know in the comment section as to how you like it. Alright, so to make our Avarekalu Saaru, we'll be needing the following ingredients. Firstly, we'll be needing 2 tomatoes, which I have chopped into big pieces like this. 2 medium-sized onions, again which I have chopped into big chunks like this. Around 1.5 chili, 7 cloves of garlic and half an inch of ginger. 1 handful of coriander leaves, less than 1/4 cup of coconut. If you like your gravy really thick and if you like more coconut in your gravies, you can add around 1/4 cup of coconut. This fresh coconut, you can even use dry coconut if you don't have fresh coconut. 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons of jeera, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I have taken some khada masalas. In khada masalas, I have taken here around 1 inch of cinnamon, which is very small, 2 cardamoms or elaichi, and 3 cloves or long. Salt to taste, around 2 tablespoons of oil, medium sized potatoes which I have chopped into big chunks like this, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and around 7 to 8 curry leaves. Here I have taken around 400 grams of avarekalu. So now to make the gravy of our avarekalu saaru, we'll be adding around 2 tomatoes to our blender jar, 2 onions, coriander seeds, coconut, jeera, turmeric powder, our khada masalas, long elaichi and cinnamon, aromatics, that is ginger, garlic and chili. Here I have used only green chili because I don't like my food to be too spicy. If you like your food to be too spicy, then you can even add red chili if you want to. After adding all the ingredients into our blender jar, now we'll make a nice fine puree of this. So once you make a fine puree of everything, this is how the puree should look. It should be really in the form of nice fine puree. When you touch it, it should be a smooth paste. Make our Avarekalu Saaru. First, we'll have to heat our cooker on medium flame. Once our cooker is heated, we'll add in the oil. Here I'm using slightly little more oil compared to what I generally use to all the other sabzis. Once our oil is heated, we'll add in our curry leaf and our mustard seeds. Once our mustard seeds start spluttering, we'll turn our flame to full low and then we will add in our paste. So after you add it, just saute it on low flame for about 10 seconds. Just give it one nice mix. Then increase your flame to medium and saute this on medium flame till all the raw aroma of all our aromatics goes. Here all the things that we have added is raw, including the coconut and tomato, onion and ginger and garlic. We'll have to saute it till the raw aroma and the water content from goes off. So now I have been roasting our gravy or our paste for about 10 minutes on medium flame. So now all the water content has been and also the raw aroma of all our aromatics is gone. So next we will add in our potatoes and we'll saute the potatoes for just a minute in this gravy. Next we will also add in some water. Adding potato here is optional. If you want, you can add it, otherwise you can just leave it. Here I am adding almost 1 cup of water. We'll also add in our avarekalu. Give this a nice mix. Now we'll add in little bit of garam masala. Adding garam masala here is optional. It's completely up to you. If you don't want to, you can just skip this step. Last but not the least, we'll add in salt to taste. Give it a nice mix. At this point, you can taste. If you feel your sabzis become too spicy, then add very little sugar, around half a teaspoon of sugar, or very little jaggery if you want to. Or if you feel your salt is not up to your taste, just add salt. Now, after adding all the ingredients, we'll just close the cooker lid and we'll let it cook on medium flame for about 4 whistles. After about 4 whistles, we'll just turn off our heat and we'll let the cooker cool down and release all its pressure. Now our cooker has released all its pressure. So now we'll just take off the lid and we'll see how it's cooked. We'll just check on our beans or our avarekalu. Yeah, it has cooked really well. Now we'll just transfer this into our serving bowl. We'll garnish it with some coriander leaves. And there you go, our Avarekalu Saaru is ready. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video, then do hit the like button and also do subscribe to my channel, and do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button, so that you get notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.